Can you hear everything in your system, like every detail? Well, this is the PRO-TW750CN-8, a 4-inch neodymium super tweeter built to highlight every nuance of your music at any volume. Operating at 160 watts of AES power and 110 decibels of sensitivity, this super tweeter is a beast. It runs 900 Hz to 20 kHz, so all the details in your vocals run cleanly and smoothly. It has a 1.5 titanium voice coil to bring sharp clarity to reproduction, and a neodymium motor that makes sure this super tweeter stays lightweight. The CNC aluminum body is incredibly strong, and a built-in bass blocker protects this tweeter from being blown by unwanted frequencies. If you want loud and clear, clarity starts with DS18. Make sure to go check it out. My name is Danny, and we like it loud.